Hi there, students. Enough. Okay, this seems like an easy word and it's easy to understand, but it's difficult to use sometimes. Let's see, firstly, enough means sufficient, a sufficient amount, adequate, appropriate. So, do you have enough bread? Have you had enough food? I don't have enough time. Here, it's acting as a determiner before a noun. Yeah? I have enough friends. I have enough money. We can also use it as an adverb, which could, for example, go after an adjective. He's not old enough to go into a pub. Yeah, the exercise was easy enough for the students. Okay, okay. So this is with an adjective, and when we use it with adjectives, it goes after. She is beautiful enough to be my girlfriend. Okay, you can also use enough with verbs. I haven't done enough work today. I have drunk enough and I don't need any more. I've eaten enough. Okay. I don't want any more. Okay. So here, after the verb again. You can also use it after adverbs. He didn't drive quickly enough. He is doing this well enough. Again, after the adverb. Okay, so you can use it after adjectives. He's not old enough. You can use it after an adverb. He's driving fast enough to arrive on time. You can use it after a verb. I've eaten enough food. And then with nouns, you use it before. I've made enough cakes for everyone. He doesn't have enough money to buy a car. Okay? Now, we can also use enough as a pronoun. Have you had enough? Okay, so here, enough is talking about, for example, we're eating. Have you had enough? Here, enough is acting as a pronoun, saying enough food. Do you have enough to pay the bill? Enough money. And here, enough is acting as a determiner. Okay, so enough comes after adjectives and verbs. I'm not tall enough to reach this. Your marks are good enough to go to university. I couldn't run fast enough and I missed the bus. Okay, you can use it with verbs, after verbs. When it's hot, I need to drink enough water. Yeah? He doesn't study enough and he's not going to pass his exams. With nouns, I don't have enough oil to fry these chips. I haven't got enough money to do this. And then you can also use it as a pronoun without a noun. I haven't... there are, so let me try. There are very few people here. There aren't enough. Okay. Do you want some more beer? No, I've had enough. Enough beer. Okay. So we know the noun because of the context. Now, when you use enough with adjectives and nouns, you need to be careful. Because if you put it before the noun, then it sorry, with an adjective noun. If you put it after the adjective, then it's talking about the adjective. And rich enough clients. We have rich enough clients to make the business profitable. Okay, here the enough is referring to the rich, whereas we haven't got enough rich clients. This is talking about enough clients. Okay, so rich enough clients, the clients are sufficiently rich. Enough rich clients, we haven't got sufficient of them. Okay, and that's the idea of it. Notice as well, with the use of enough of, you normally use this when it's followed by some sort of determiner or a pronoun. I've had enough of this. I've had enough of your complaints. So we're using it for something specific. We know exactly what you mean. There aren't enough of those crisps for everybody. I've seen enough of your work to know that you're a good student. Okay, and that's the idea of it. Enough. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. The grammar of enough.